Hi guys, in this video, let's learn how to change privacy of your featured photo on Facebook to only me. As well as you can actually change the highlight privacy settings. In this current video, we are about to simply learn how we change the privacy of our Facebook featured photos as well as our story highlights. Before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. First, we simply want to make sure we actually updated the Facebook app to the latest version. If you haven't updated already, you can head over to your device respective app store. So in the search box, you can type in Facebook and then go ahead and simply update the app to the latest version. So once you have actually updated Facebook, I'm going to simply open it, and the next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. Go ahead and simply make sure you are logged into your account. So once you are logged in, you can basically see this, how the interface is actually going to look like. Now, what you can do is on the home page of Facebook, you want to simply tap on your profile icon on the top left hand side of the screen and go to your profile page. So once we go to our profile page, here we want to scroll down a little bit until we get to the feature section. And you can see these are some of the featured photos and videos which I have added my Facebook profile. And let us assume that you actually want to change the privacy of these featured photos. Go only me. You don't want others to see it. Now you want to understand that there is actually no any way to change the privacy settings of your featured photos to private, because this is actually meant to be set to public. Facebook has designed it a way so that it could actually be set to public. However, there are a few things you can actually work around it, and that is what I'm going to show you. First thing you can definitely try is that if you want others to see your features photos right over here, let's say some of the thumbnails generate images, and if you don't want others to see this, what you can do is simply tap on it, and you can tap on the three dots on the top right hand side of the screen and then tap on edit featured collection. And let us say that you don't want others to see the main image. You can simply upload another image, such as a generate image or photo that is not yours. That way it is going to hide it from the general public unless you don't actually click your highlights or your feature section. That is one way to simply work around it. And the other way is that you don't want anyone else to see it on Facebook and change the privacy to only me. Why would you actually want to keep it in the first place? So the better things to do is actually to simply delete your featured photos. Once you delete your featured photos, no one else will actually be able to see your featured photo. That is the second way to actually work around it. Let's say that you also want to change your story settings on Facebook or your highlight privacy settings. Now for that, we are actually going to come back and on the top right, you will be able to see this three lines icon over here. Once you tap on the three lines icon, now if you are on iOS, those three lines icon could be at the bottom of the screen. You want to be simply aware of that and scroll down a little bit until you get to the settings and privacy option. So tap on settings and privacy. So once you see it here, go to settings. Once we go to settings, we want to slide down a little bit. Under the audience and visibility tab, you will be able to find a button that saves the stories. Tap on stories, and right here you will actually be able to change the privacy right on top. You can see it says story privacy. Tap on it once and then you can simply change it to friends, or then you can also change it to custom people right over here, depending on whom you want to share your story with. These are only some of the basic ways to work on featured photo on Facebook. You want to understand that there is not directly a feature available on Facebook, so that you could directly change the privacy to only me. There are actually a couple of ways around it which we have shown you. We hope this video actually helped you and gave you some insight about it. And I hope this video actually learned or helped you about learning something new. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you again next time.